Feeling sluggish, bloated, and just off? Your liver might be under extra strain. But here's the surprising truth. Your liver doesn't need a trendy detox or harsh cleanse. It's already a powerful self-cleaning organ that works 24/7 to filter your blood and process everything you eat and drink. The real secret? Supporting it. Start with hydration. Drinking water, especially with a squeeze of lemon, helps your body flush waste and gives you a boost of vitamin C. Next, try green tea. It's rich in antioxidants called catechins that may support liver function. Just be careful with high-dose green tea supplements. They can actually harm the liver. Your diet matters even more. Add cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts to support natural detox pathways. Eat berries and leafy greens for antioxidants and fiber, and include fatty fish like salmon or sardines for omega-3s that help reduce liver fat and inflammation. The bottom line, liver health isn't about extreme cleanses. It's about simple habits, hydration, whole foods, and balance.